Welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix your problems step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can send a snap to everyone in just one click. You don't have to click on their name individually, but at first you need to create a group and you need to send snap on that group, and it's going to be sent to everybody in just one click. So let me show you guys how you guys can create that. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. Let's move on. First step, click a snap or click a video. I'm just going to click a photo and then click on send to. Once you click on send to, at the top right corner you can see the little shortcuts button. You want to click on the shortcuts button over here to create yourself a shortcut. Now once you click on shortcut, this thing will pop up. Once this thing pops up, you want to click on new shortcut. So these two are my already created shortcut, but I want to create a new one, so I'm going to click a new shortcut and choose the people whom I want on these shortcuts. Once you choose all the people you want on the group, at the top you can see choose emoji. You need to choose an emoji for your group. After you choose an emoji, click on create shortcut, and your shortcut has now been created. Now if you just want to send snap to somebody like in just one click, at the top you can see these three emojis. So each emoji verifies one shortcut. So I want to send it to this group, and I can just click on the group over here at the top and choose the people and click on send, and it's going to be sent to the person of that group. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can send snap to everybody in just one click. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.